What? Where's the smoke alarm? What could it be? Wait a minute. Is that what you think it is? What? Buck the Beaver. You got my smoke alarm. That is amazing. Anyways, what's going on? It is me, System Sensor 250, and guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So guys, today's video, we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So, guys, today, we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 28. So, hope everybody did have an amazing day. Now, before we guys get started, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord, Ask What To, aka my Discord server. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. The smoke alarm test. So, right here, I'm showing right now is the First Alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. And that is actually Buck the Beaver. He's holding it just for me. So, let's go ahead and get started with the smoke alarm. Buck the Beaver, you ready? Oh, you just smacked it down. Looks like he is ready. I'm going to set it back to where I'm at. Give me a second, guys. There we go. You ready? He's ready. So, I'm going to go hold in tight. Here we go. It seems that the battery's actually a little bit pretty low during the first test. So let's do that again. Focus. Thank you. I'm going to be very gently. Actually. Okay. There we go. He's liking it so far. He's keep holding it during the test. Haven't you? Alright. Let's do one more. Pause it. Smoke alarm's actually pretty good. And also the battery's actually kind of pretty low. So I'll have to change it in a minute. Or as soon as I can. So, yep. So, what do you guys think? So, let's go ahead and wrap. What do you guys think of the smoke alarm test video so far? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Now, guys, before we end, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord, Ask What To, aka my Discord server. Make sure you guys don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage, Ask What To. Make sure you guys don't forget to check out my second, third, and fourth YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe on those channels. I will be super appreciated. Anyways, guys, it's actually pretty dark. So, yep. Hope everybody did have an amazing day. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.